Hi. Hi, yes, you know what time it is. Both of you know what time it is. Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. BarkBox is a monthly subscription for your dogs. I don't know what rock you've been living under if you've never heard of BarkBox, but if you haven't, now you have. They're in stores. They have them in Target, Walmart, a bunch of different stores that you can buy the individual toys. I'm not sure about the individual treats. I know I've seen the toys in the store, but they're a monthly subscription for your dogs. They have different options. They do have a heavy chewer option as well. That I'm not as big a fan of the heavy chewer one. I've had better luck with other brands when it comes to the heavy chewer stuff. But BarkBox does make really cool toys and treats for your dogs. They're themed every month. You're not going to get the same theme because they come up with new themes all the time. And yeah, check it out. And the wrapping is adorable. And it's a great surprise not just for your dogs, but also for you because these things are just absolutely so cute. So this is Bow Wow Bayou. So it obviously like Bayou themed. And then the wrapping again on the inside. And then the bottom of the wrapping, it usually shows you all the different options that you could get. So they have different sizes depending on what size your dog is. Small, medium, large. And then if you have any food allergies or anything like that, if your dog has any type of allergies, you can let them know. That way you don't get treats that have like that allergy that your dog has. You can get it with, it comes with 2 bags of treats, 2 toys, and something for them to chew on. However, you can pay extra, which I do, for the extra toy. And then on top of that, I do the 1-year subscription. That way I get the best bang for my buck and the best value because that is the lowest price. And I've been doing this for years now. You can see all my past videos. I have hundreds of videos out there. Like I said, I've been doing this since she was a puppy. And that's what started this whole thing and started my whole channel. So check it out. You have a, what is this in alligator? So they like broke it out and it's alligator as if he has like a name. So that's why it's cute is they do stuff like that. So it has crinkly, it's like a little alligator, it has crinkly in the arms. And then it has a big squeaker like in the middle. Feels like a tough squeaker. Yeah, that's a hard squeaker. And then crinkly in the head. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Even though my Pepper is over 8 years old, she still loves playing with toys, still chews on them. She's not as destructive as she was when she was a puppy, yet over time she does still destroy them. My Husky, on the other hand, Ash, well, she just likes the treats. That's all she wants. She just wants those fat, good old treats for her. They're made in the United States or Canada. They're you don't have to worry about them not being healthy for your dogs. Obviously, if you feed them a lot of treats, cut back on their normal meal for the day because they can get, you can overfeed dogs. They can get big. Especially if this one, if I left this whole bag of treats, it would probably be gone in about 5 minutes. Yeah, you see. I know. Oh, this one doesn't want to open. Okay, where's the scissors? Sometimes the bag's on the top, but these things are difficult to open. I don't know why. Because they're like the pull string or whatever, or pull plastic. So they become a challenge to open sometimes if you pull them open like I do. Like rip the top. Oh, those smell good. What are they? They're mixed berries. So they smells like a berry like oatmeal bar, and all they are is like this big. And if you're training your dog, you can break these up into smaller pieces so you're not just giving them one big whole treat. And I know I say train because I have them somewhat trained. Sit. Oh, you are sitting. Kiss. Good girl. Hi. Kiss. Yes, good girl. Not going to make her do as much. They're nice and comfortable. The next toy is going to be this Spoonbilly. Look at that, colorful. That is so colorful. And it does have details inside each of these little things that tells you about them, like the crazy crinkle and like what they have as part of them. So this one is I'm trying to get the all the plastic off of the little these little, well, you can see that. These little plastic pieces are dangerous for your dog to swallow, so I always just make sure I have them fully removed. Oh wow, so the head is nothing in it, the beak is crinkly, the wings are crinkly, the feet are crinkly, the inside has a big old loud squeaker in it. Want to bite its neck? Oh, its head. It is so cute. Then the next bag of treats is going to be the Moo Moo Jerky Bars. And beef recipe, so the beef jerky. Oh, those are big. I'm gonna break it in half. Yeah, you know what? You guys have been good. I'm just gonna give you each one. You've been good. You've been good. You have been good. Yeah, you have been good. What? Kiss? High five. Yes. High five. High five. Yes. Thank you. Good girls. So the next thing it comes with is something for them to chew on. This is the Chew Stick by the Pet Gourmet Chew Stick beef recipe. So it's just like your standard little beef chew stick. Then the last thing that comes with is looks like some sort of turtle. That is a Bitet Snapback. Snaps back? Baby, I can't even say it. So it's like a baby snapping turtle. That's what I believe this is supposed to be. Oh, that has a really hard, spiky ball, half spiky ball squeaker in it. As you can see, it's really difficult to push. And then it's got crinkly in the legs, but not in the tail, not in the head. It has fluff in it. You want? Want it? Yeah, you licked it because you thought maybe it was a treat, but it's not a treat. You want it because it's a toy, especially if I'm going to play with you on it. But that is everything that this month came with. Tell me what you think. Are you a BarkBox subscriber? What do you think the theme will be next month? How long have you been a subscriber if you have? Comment below, again, what you think of the monthly subscription. And yeah, subscribe if you're not already. And check out whatever YouTube videos they recommend. And then you can always hit that bell for notifications when I post new videos. Bye!